Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to create two very easy home decor pieces. But before I get started guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to start with this mirror from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to trace the shape of the mirror onto two pieces of cardboard. After that, I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to use a nail file just to buff down the edges of the cardboard, and then I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue and I'm going to adhere the two pieces together. Once that's done, I'm going to add the mirror. I'm going to hot glue the mirror to the cardboard. I'm going to use some contact paper. This sort of feels like linen a little bit, and I'm just going to use that and adhere it to the bottom of the cardboard so that the bottom could have a nice finish. This beautiful bling wrap I picked up from Amazon. It's small tiny diamonds guys that's adhered to this paper and it's self-adhesive. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to cut out a few strips that I'm going to use as decoration for the vase, and I'm going to use some of this decoration for the mirror riser. This beautiful pink brooch I picked up from Amazon, and I'm going to adhere this to the vase. And guys, look how beautiful this looks. I absolutely love the way both pieces look. Came out really, really beautiful, and it was very easy. My next project is going to be really easy. Just going to clean off my vase. I'm going to take the fairy lights and I'm going to submerge them inside the vase because I'm going to use water with this project. This is the first time I'm putting these fairy lights in water, so I'm going to see how this works out. I'm going to take a little bit of tape and I'm just going to tape the battery box to the outside of the vase. These are some diamond-shaped glass fillers that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm going to use those as decoration inside the vase. Next, I'm going to be using this palm plant. I'm just going to take some pieces off. So I'm going to use my tongs to submerge those palms inside. Once that's in, I'm going to add my silver candle. This particular DIY is so quick and easy. It's all about just adding the items inside the vase. But look how lovely this looks. Really nice. Let me know what you think. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.